Hi, this is Shiroz from Fast Tech, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a motherboard replacement on a PS4 CUH-1215A. These consoles are sold in Asia and Europe as CUH-1200A or 1200B. And I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a motherboard replacement today. Your PS4 CUH-1215A could look like this, like the regular black model, or it could be a special edition Black Ops console like this one, or it could be an Uncharted edition, or it could be a Star Wars edition as well. Most of the special edition PS4s were CUH-1215A consoles. Yeah, let's start. So to get to the motherboard on a CUH-1215A, we have to pretty much disassemble the whole console. And this is a Black Ops 3 edition, but your console might not look like this. The most important thing to look at is the model number that's here. I'm going to focus on there. It says CUH-1215B. You could have a CUH-1215A or a CUH-1200A if you're in Europe or Asia. So it's important to look out for that because all the model numbers are different. So to get to the motherboard, we're basically going to take the console apart. We're going to look at the back here. There's two stickers. We're going to remove both of them. And there's two Torx T8H screws in there that we're going to be removing. And we sell the screwdriver on our website. You can't find it at Home Depot or a general hardware store because it's a specialty screwdriver. And I'm going to put the link in the description for it. So once you've removed the stickers, you can see the two Torx T8H screws. We're going to remove them. I'm going to remove the bottom piece, the bottom side of the case. Like so. Once that's removed, we're going to remove the power supply. There's three Torx TH screws and two Phillips screws. Remove the grounding shield and remove the connector that connects the power supply. And then you can just pry the power supply out like so. Now we're going to remove the antenna cable here by just lifting it, and we're going to remove all the drive cables. Like so. I'm going to flip the console over, okay? Now we're going to remove the hard drive cover. I'm going to remove the Phillips screw that holds the hard drive in place. I'm just going to pull the hard drive out like so. It'll just come out. That's the hard drive. I'm going to remove these two screws to remove this part of the case. Once you remove these screws, you're going to remove this side of the case by lifting it from the front, and then it should just come off like so. Then we're going to remove the power button here. On this model, since it's a Black Ops edition, it's orange, but yours might be black or a different color. And what you want to do is you want to lift it from here and then just push it out like so, and it'll come out. Now we're going to remove the eject button cable here, and then all these screws have to come out. There's a bunch of Torx and Phillips screws. I'm going to just bring it up here a little bit closer to the camera for you. If you want, you guys can pause the screen here and take a look at where all the screws go. There's quite a lot of them. And there's Torx, there's black Phillips, and there's silver Phillips screws. I know where they all go because I've taken these apart thousands of times, but in case you're wondering where all the screws go. So all the screws are going to have to be removed. And then this black piece is going to be removed. Note how there's this little piece here. This piece holds the long screw that holds the power supply in. So you want to be very careful with this, and be careful when you're putting it back in. I'll show you that. This screw is stripped, and even though this is the first time this console's ever been opened, I find that really odd that this screw is stripped, even though this unit was never opened before. Like, no one ever got to the motherboard, but I find that a little bit peculiar. But anyway. Now that we removed this plate, we're going to remove these two Phillips screws that hold the board against the heatsink. And now we're going to remove the fan connector on this side here, and then we can just lift the motherboard out like so. It'll just come right out, and that's our motherboard. That's the item we're going to be replacing today. So we got a replacement motherboard here. It's an SAC001. That's the model number of the motherboard that these units use. It's an SAC-001, and we do sell these on our website at www.fasttech.ca or fasttech.us if you're in the United States. And the ones that we sell come with this warranty sticker here, and we normally give out a 1-year warranty to lifetime warranty on our motherboards, as long as you don't remove this warranty sticker. So let's start installing our new motherboard in. The back is going to go in first. Where the ports are, that side goes in first. And then you just got to angle it. And then you got to make sure that the power cable goes through, like so. Okay, and then these are supposed to be over the motherboard. We're going to connect the fan. And I'm going to install this piece on. Install the power button back. Start pushing it in. Now, you might want to pay attention here. This hook here goes in like this, like that, and then this black piece is going to go on top of it like so. And then now we're going to screw this piece in just so that just so that little piece doesn't fly away or get lost. Now we're just going to start putting all the screws back in. I'm putting these screws in with 100% accuracy, but you can refer to earlier in the video where I showed you where all the screws go. I've done hundreds and thousands of these units, so to me it's really no problem. This is the screw here that was stripped. I'm debating on whether I should put it in. I think I'm going to actually replace the screw, but it's very interesting. I'm going to keep this screw. It's very interesting. I've never seen a stripped screw on a new unit that's never been opened. So I'm going to replace this stripped screw because I don't want the next person that's going to open it to be having problems. Install the hard drive in. And connect the eject button cable here back on. Install the screws. Install the hard drive cover back on. Now we're going to flip it over. Install the drive cables and the antenna cable. We're going to install the antenna cable and pushing it down, and reinstall the power supply. Reinstall the grounding shield and the screws that hold it. going to install the bottom cover by angling it from the front and then pushing in the back and then reinstalling the Torx screws. And we're pretty much done. Now we're going to put our FastTech warranty sticker on it, because this is a client system and they do get a 1-year warranty with a motherboard replacement. And we're all done. Again guys, all the parts needed for this repair are on our website, including the tools, the screwdriver, the main board. We also sell all other kinds of parts for PlayStation 4s on our website at www.fasttech.ca, so do check us out. And don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like our videos. And also click the bell button next to the subscribe button if you want to get notifications from us. And we'll see you in the next one.